Hi, Jim with Reptile Adhesive. We're going to go ahead and do an inspection on this floor, and we're going to go ahead and repair it with our material. And I'm going to show you exactly what we're inspecting right now. This is loose tile. Tenting tile, you can hear that. Over here, look at that. That's no good. We're going to fix all that with our adhesive today. The Reptile 10-ounce tube. Usually I'll go ahead and just cut the smallest tip off you can. Smaller the better. And you'll be able to tell that it's open. Then I'll just place it in the caulking gun. Like so. And you're ready to go. The idea is to put it in the hole. Put caulking, don't overdo it because you're going to blow out the back side. The idea is to get the material between the loose thin set and the loose tile. That's where this material needs to go. Now, it is wet, runny material, but it works wonderfully. Let me show you. I always put my finger over the top and use this in between each one. Okay, we'll start right here. That's quite a bit of material going in there. Always push this here, bring it back, put your finger over it. Move it to the next hole. You're always going to have a little bit of a mess, but if you remember to back it off, it'll work better for you. See, even an old Home Depot gun, see how it starts to squirt out the other? You know you're getting good penetration. Back it off, pull it out, let's go to the next hole. And continue this process. Sometimes you'll get four tile out of a tube, 5, 6. Sometimes you'll get 2, depends. Fill the void. You can see how it's bubbling out of the other holes. Pull it back. Put your finger over the hole and put it in the next one. Okay, that's the process. As you use them up, you just keep that hole as small as you can, fill it up, come back and clean this off a few times with a very clean sponge and very clean water. If it dries to a haze and you don't get it off, you'll be scrubbing it off with a scrub brush, a nylon scrub brush, before you grout it tomorrow. Hope you enjoy this. It will work for you. Thanks for watching.